starting with grade 8 participants.
Everyone, my name is Cassandra Beatrice H. Caluson from Grade 8 Aster, and I am portraying Hermione Granger from the book series Harry Potter. And I believe that standing up to your fears is more acceptable than to run away from them. And I thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Princess Elijah Banuevo, representing Grade 8 Kamia, and I'm portraying as Abel from Beauty and the Beast. I believe that it's not until you lose everything that you can appreciate everything. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Atea Joy Gimumban, representative of Grade 8 Iris. My character is Princess Belle of Beauty and the Beast. My line is, don't be afraid to have beauty and brains. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Fitanato, representative of Grade 8 Irish. And my character is Princess Catania, the most beautiful girl and never seen is being yourself. And I thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kirin Ilagan and I'm from 8 Marigold. My character is Hermona. My line is stop, stop, stop. You're going to take someone's eye out besides it's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kenya Tandoy and I'm representative of 8 Girls. My character is Nanami and my lines is Ku Karawa, Namon Ganayo. And thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Sophia Claudine Velasco from Grade 8 Zaria, and I'm dressed as Sophia the First. Sophia the First once said, the only way to win is to try and try again. You want to count me out, but I made them count me in. Thank you. Parang bilis.
I am Sophia Gunat P. the Lost Series, portraying Mikasa Ackerman from Attack on Titan.
afternoon, everyone. My name is Jasmine Rinable, and I am portraying ang Kaniawi from Kulit-Ban Halakun, or also known as Jibakushonin Halakun in Japanese. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am from 8TV, and my pronunciation is Sophia the Fourth, and I'm doing a visit Palayo. That's it.
Candidate number 1. Okay, may pa-surprise.
Good day, everyone. My name is Lawrence Romero, representing Aid Kamya, and I am Moana of Monotui. You will board my boat, sail across the sea, and restore the heart of TPT. Thank you.